Hi guys, and welcome to Cultnomics. My name is Paul Hanley, and today I'm going to be chatting to you about the market failures of big tech. Hi guys, today we're going to talk about big tech and the market failures that come from big tech companies. So what we're going to look at is how competition may be reduced when you have large dominant technological companies. And these companies would include companies like Facebook, Amazon, Netflix and Google. And they bring particular strengths to a market that may cause the market to fail over time. So what is market failure? Well, this is when a market on its own fails to produce an efficient allocation of resources. So how would technological companies bring this about? Well, the first thing that a technological company brings is something called a network externality. And this is when the value of a good or services increases the more people that use it. So for example, the value of Facebook is based on the number of people who use it. The more people that do, the more useful it is to those connecting to other people who are on it. So technically this is called when the marginal utility is an increasing function of the number of users. So that's number one in terms of a strength. Number two is economies of scale. So you have this in general production when the long run average cost of production falls as output increases, or when a firm increases its inputs and the quantity of output derived increases proportionately more. So traditional drivers of this would be things like specialization of labor or bulk buying, as you'd see in supermarket industry, grocery store. But in terms of big tech, what you can have is companies like Netflix who obtain the rights to shows at a discount because of the number that they are purchasing. Number three in this case is economies of scope, where the long run average cost of production decreases with an increased variety of goods produced. So traditionally this would be the cost of producing two goods is less than the cost of producing both separately. So for example, a company like Samsung might share various resources together, like finance initially. They might share marketing as we see in front of us now, and they might share across their customer services, customer communication. So this is across all their products. However, when it comes to big tech, what we see is they can share the data they've collected to increase the value of their products, such as Google sharing information for better targeted ads. And then finally, for addiction, which is the fourth characteristic, what we have here is when the qualities of social media and various tech products become addictive to people, such as the like button on Facebook or Apple's recent acknowledgement and attempt to overcome screen addiction. So with all of these characteristics put together, what you can have is market failure, where you have a lack of competition in that market. And what it may lead to is excessive profits and excessive profit making between companies, called supernormal profits in this case. So where markets aren't contestable based on our four characteristics, what we might have is it's very good for big tech in terms of the profits they make, but it may not be so good for the customers that they are servicing in terms of products. I hope you call back to Cultnomics soon. Bye for now.